Imagine if we could diagnose diseases using locally available materials just while sitting under a tree.
We have developed a rapid diagnostic tool for schistosomiasis. It is a neglected tropical disease caused by parasitic worms. We believe that our project can be a game changer in shifting the global health focus to this devastating disease and meet the diagnostic needs of millions.
We are Team Detection, a globally distributed team from India, Brazil, and the US. We bring to the team expertise from diverse backgrounds of biology, engineering, art design, and community activism. We met in the experimental Open Community Frugal Science course hosted by Prakash Lab at Stanford University.
Schistosomiasis affects 240 million people every year in 78 countries, specifically in the African continent and Brazil. We need to bring the same energy and focus that COVID received towards these neglected tropical diseases such as schistosomiasis. It has the same scale of global impact as malaria.
Meet Odachi. She lives in Nigeria, which is among the 78 countries highly impacted by schistosomiasis. She doesn't know it, but the chances of getting the disease is around 68.6% in her home state of Zamfara.
In school, teachers educate her about schistosomiasis, the symptoms, long-term impacts, transmission, and the importance of treatment.
Currently, to diagnose schistosomiasis, public health workers have to collect samples from the communities and take them to a lab facility where the equipment necessary for testing, such as microscopes and centrifuges, along with other chemicals, are housed. This is a costly, time-consuming, and resource-intensive process.
To help Odachi, we have designed Detection, a filter paper-based syringe attachment. Including instrumentation, it costs approximately $1, that is 6 times less than the currently used diagnostic method.
It not only reduces the cost, it also serves as a point-of-care device with no need for sophisticated instrumentation and external resources. With basic training, anyone can perform the diagnosis. It enables multiple and frequent testing as it's rapid and frugal.
The diagnostic process is simple. As we can see in the schematic representation, the urine is drawn and the filtering unit is attached to the syringe. The plunger is pushed to filter the urine. Then, the filtering unit is dried, a drop of oil is added and mounted on the slide. A positive test result can be inferred if any eggs are present when seen through a foldscope. We have tested it out with mock egg and urine samples.
Resource-constrained communities can benefit from distributed parallel manufacturing pathway of detection, possible through collaborations with local industrial facilities, makerspaces, paper manufacturers, or stores.
We would like to establish, implement, and study the impact of this pathway in Nigeria and Brazil, our current points of contact. Moreover, we would also like to expand to other affected places.
With Detection, we touch 3 UN Sustainable Development Goals, which are good health and well-being, clean water and sanitation, sustainable cities and communities. We believe that our device will be a step forward towards WHO's 2025 goal to eradicate schistosomiasis.
With systematically targeted deployment and testing, we hope to aid effective diagnosis to control and prevent morbidity due to schistosomiasis. Odachi can now have a brighter and healthier future with Detection providing point-of-care under-a-tree diagnosis to her community.